Now see the next part. Conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed number. Conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed number. Now you know already what is mean by improper fraction. So what is mean by improper fraction? A fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. They are improper fraction. Now these improper fractions we have to convert it into the mixed number. Mixed number means they have the integral part and fractional part. Okay. So let's see. There is one example. If 7 apples are divided equally between two people, how many will each one get? So here you have to say that 7 apples are divided equally. Now 7 apples we have to divide into two people, in between the two people. So how many will each one get? Now suppose if I say now 7 upon 2 means 7 divided by 2 you have to do. Instead of this 7 is not the fully divisible by 2 because 7 is not there in the table of 2. But if I say 2 apples you have to divide among the two people, then easily you can say yes, one apple each one will get. If 6 apples you have to divide among 2 children, then each child will get 3 apples. Yes. If 6 apples you have to divide in 2 children, then each child will get how many apples? 2 3s are 6, means 6 divided by 2, 3. Okay. So if that numbers are divisible by such a number, then it is easy. But now here what happens? 7 is not divisible by 2. So what you have to do? This division how we will solve now? Here you have to solve which operation? Division operation. Yes, 7 apples divided equally between 2 peoples. So 7 divided by 2. 7 upon 2 means 7 divided by 2. Remember, when I write 7 upon 2, that means 7 divided by 2. Means what? This 7 will be dividend here. This 7 will be dividend. Okay, this 7 will be dividend here, and then 2 will be divisor. See, you know these basic things, no? So when we write this 7 divided by 2, this 7 is called dividend, this 2 is divisor. Now let's divide. 7 is not there in the table of 2, so we have to find the smaller number than 7. So 2 3s are 6. Then subtract, 7 minus 6 is 1. So this 3 is known as quotient and this 1 is known as remainder. So that like this, 7 upon 2, this answer remainder comes 0, means this is not fully divisible, so remainder is less than the divisor. If remainder is less than the divisor, then you have to stop this, means you can solve by giving the decimal point, but still here you have to stop. Now how to convert it into, how to write this division into mixed number? See, so 7 upon 2, if I want to write it into mixed fraction, how can I write? So first you have to write this quotient as an integral part. This integral part, mixed number means what? Two parts are there, one is integral and one is fractional part. So as an integral part, what you have to write here? 3. Then you have to write in the numerator place 1, here 1, and then upon this divisor, that is means 2. So see again how I divided, how I wrote in the mixed fractions. 7 1 2, how I have written? So I have done, first we started with quotient. So quotient will be as an integral part, then remainder will be as the numerator part and divisor will be as the denominator part. So see here, 7 upon 2 is equal to 3 and 1 upon 2 is the answer. So I have written this in the form is how to remember for that purpose, no need to write every time this. So 3 is the quotient, Q means quotient, then this 1 is the remainder and this upon 2, 2 means the divisor, 2 means the divisor. Okay. So like this way you have to convert any improper fraction into a mixed fraction. It's very simple. Just you have to do the division only. Just you have to do the division only. You will solve the division and you have to write this in the form of mixed fractions. Okay. Students, you have to give the heading of conversion of an improper fraction into a mixed number, and then see the take care. One example I had been solved, that also example you will solve in your notebook, and then you will write the take care of textbook page number 21. Textbook page number 21. So you have to write that take care. Take care means that is the important point. So what is that? See, while dividing, we take care to see that the remainder is smaller than the divisor. As a result, in the mixed number, the numerator of the fractional part is smaller than its denominator. So I had solved for you 7 upon 2. Yes, what answer came for that? 3 and 1 upon 2. So you have to remember that when you divide that divisor, remainder should be smaller than the divisor. Okay, let's see one more example, then it will clear to you. So this take care also you have to write it in your notebook. And now let's see some examples how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. For example, I am taking practice set. Practice set 9 I will take. Okay, and in that first question only. Practice set 9 question 1. What is that? Convert into, we will take question number 2. Question number 1 I didn't teach you still. So take question number 2 first. Practice set 9 question number 2. Convert into mixed numbers. Convert into mixed numbers. But see the examples. Which type of fractions are they? Which type of fractions are they? They all are improper fractions. Why? Because numerator is bigger than the denominator. So let's see first example. Question number 2. First example is the 30 upon 7. Is the 30 upon 7. So how to do this? Simple. I had told you, you have to solve 30 upon 7 means you can write this 30 divided by 7, and you have to solve proper division. Okay, that means 30 divided by 7. 30 divided by 7. So now start the 7 table. If is there 30 in the table of 7? No. Then which is the less number than 30? Yes, 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. Yes. So you can subtract this. Now this subtraction 30 minus 28. So here 2, or you can solve by like this way 10, then here 2, 10 minus 2 by borrowing. Okay. So 2 is the remainder. Now this fraction you have to write into the mixed number. So how I told you? First you will write quotient. Then you have to write remainder upon divisor. Means what is the answer came? 4 and 2 upon 7. 4 and 2 upon 7 is the mixed number. So 30 upon 7 we got answer 4 and 2 upon 7. Okay. Then next is the 7 upon 4. It's very simple example, students. Only division you have to solve. Next example is 7 upon 4. So that means 7 divided by 4. Again divide it. 7 divided by 4. Again 4 ones are 4. Remainder is 3. Okay. So how to write this into mixed fraction? First quotient, then remainder upon divisor. That means 1 and 3 upon 4. 7 upon 4 we got the answer 4, 1 and 3 upon 4 is the mixed number. Then third example, is the 15 upon 12. 15 upon 12. So you have to divide like this way, 15 divided by 12. Then 12 ones are 12. 15 minus 12, 3. So how to write this answer? 1. We first always take the quotient. This upper number you have to take first. That is the 1. 1 and 3 upon what came? 12. 1 and 3 upon 12. Okay. Then 3 examples I have been solved for you. Next 3 examples you have to solve. Practice set 9, question number 2. We had solved first 3 examples. How to convert it into mixed numbers. Improper fraction you have to convert it into mixed numbers, and then that remaining 3, example number 4, 5 and 6 you will solve. Okay.